Morning guys. So time check, 7:31 AM. Kuya, tulog pa. Si Ken and Daddy nasa nasa labas na. Nagbabike na yata si Ken. Yung iba gising na eh. Ayan na. Ayan yung iba nagkakape na. So, get ready muna tayo for breakfast. Tapos ang breakfast.
Ay,
May sumba daw. May sumbang magaganap. Sumba daw, oh. Sumba oh. Yung mga anak ko nawawala guys. Napin ko nga sa playground daw. Yung playground kasi rito eh. Ay si kuya. Pala si kuya oh. You playing? Yeah. Si kuya ang galing, napatayo-tayo pa oh. Galing ah. Ay, yung playground kasi. Ken! Kasama niya yung kanilang kalaro. Hello! Where's Ken? Hi, Ken! Take a picture with TJ. Take a picture with TJ. Putri smile! Over here. Oh, careful ikaw. But yung iba sila nag-slide doon. Water slide. You don't wanna go there?
It's too big.
Okay. You wanna check there, Ken? Let's check. Tingnan natin sila nag-slide doon, dali. Ken wanna check the slide. A mega slide.
Nice one.
Taas ah.
Oh, dun lang. Oh, madumi.
no, hindi si Kuya po.
Kuya, go!
Hindi mo?
Yay!
Wow! Brave ni Ken ah! Wala! Yung masakit yun. Masakit ba yun, ha? Umiyak na yan.
Ay, umiyak na.
Oh, masakit kasi.
Bahala kayo. Pero bakit kayo nag-iikot ka?
Hindi ka na doon. Wala akong kontak mo. Mapagmabigat ka.
Oh, go, Willie. Go na.
Nag-iisipan ko eh. Pantay! Go Ryan!
Mikey, tamasunod ah.
Oh, sige.
Sige lang daw.
Sunod ako doon! Sunod na!
Surfing, ah.
Ayan. Yung kamay mo yung hand mo daw, Dad. Wala yung wedding. Happy rolling!
Happy birthday.
Go, Daddy!
Yay! Ang bilis, yan!
This should have been like handle on the side.
Oh, ikaw na. Oh!
Kanina ka pa basa.
Oh, ikaw naman, be!
Mikey! Oh, wait. Palisin mo muna.
Ano, yung hand.
Oh, look, Ken. Look at Daddy.
Okay, guide me Lord! Guide me Lord! Guide me Lord! Guide me Lord!
Ah! Oh!
Oh, good job!
Wow, di na gado ah!
God bless you, Paolo.
Lang ano marunong bala.
Perfect! Oh, Dad, ikaw na!
Bro.
Dad, Junior! Parang hindi ka makalis dun sa madami.
Yung heel, no? Hindi ko manon.
Wala. Oh my God.
Tarawin mo yan! Sit up, don't go on your back.
Pastor surfing.
Sit up, don't go on your back. Ay, iangat niyo po yung your head.
Just stand up, stand up.
Basta wait lang. Iangat. Pasok lang.
Okay, pastor.
Okay.
Her way.
Okay.
Where's your hair?
Pastor, nakatayo ah.
Go, pastor.
Bawal ang pants, bawal ang pants.
Go, Pastor! Go, Pastor!
So how? Okay.
Pizza pa push ko.
Oh, that's it.
Five cameras.
Go, pastor. Oh my God, nabilis. Wow, galing ha.
Pastor Jerry!
Pastor Jerry. Pastor Jerry.
Wow! Tama yun na lang.
Kaya maging mayaman mo. Kung hindi ka sana mayaman, wala ka.
Yan guys, pabalik na kami sa aming campsite. Kinkin. Parang malungkot si Kinkin. Good job nga ikaw eh. Good job pong Kinkin. Si Kuya Kelly di nag-try. Takot si Kuya Kelly. Mas matapang tong isa eh. Right, Kinkin? Uy. Sabi ko si Kuya si Kinkin mas matapang kaysa kay Kuya. Kaso sad siya, sad. Sad si Kinkin. Oh, sarap sinigang. Nakikisinigang tayo dun sa baho. Doon, may cooking show. May cooking show.
Sinigang na din.
Grabe ganda ng hiwa ni ate, oh. Parang pantay-pantay.
Bukat eh.
Sisig yan, sisig. Bango. Oh, send ka daw ng mga short clip video sana. Maliit. Nagligpit na kami. One night lang eh. Kuya, we gonna go home later, okay? Uwi na kami mamaya. Mga alas 3 na ba? 4. Uwi na kami mamayang hapon. May pasok si Mike bukas. Pero lang kami ng lunch. Let's go eat. Dumami na tayo. Sisig yan sa ating sisig.
Mas pabang dami, kailangan nakaano pa.
Let's go eat lunch.
You know how many people? I wrote started the fire!
Nakuha na nyo na. Si chef, si chef, si chef. So yan guys, magto 2 PM na. Katatapos lang namin mag-lunch. Tapos kami ito, nagpa-packing pa rin. Naayos na ni Mike yung yung trunk. para ilagay na lahat yung gamit dyan sa trunk.
Good to go.
And good to go na kami. Bali, magpapagames pa sila. Ayan, may games mamaya. So, after ng games and picture, uwi na kami. Siguro mga 4 o'clock. Mga 4 siguro tayo makauwi. 4 PM tayo makaalis dito. So, yan. Ayusin ang mabuti para may space. Para maganda yung pagkaka-organize. Right, kuya? Ayan. Wala na yung tent namin din. Yan na lang yung gamit, di ba? Yan na lang naman. Yan na lang naman yung gamit. Take a picture, guys. Ken, kuya! Kuya! Tatapos na mag-picture ng isa. Dito naman kami sa River Edge. Ayan.
Kids! Kids! Come to the front!
Sweet Walk Merit from Pastor Jerry and Mama E.
Yay!
Alright, okay. Now, group 1. Let's cheer for them! Woo! Team Kiva!
Yeah! Si Makiba? Makiba.
The Urban Dictionary, it defines Makiba as a person
Ah, Makiba.
absolutely magnificent in every aspect of human can be.
Original! Makiba!
Whatever.
Let's give a round of applause to Team Makiba!
I need space. Kaya magkarinig siya. Yun ang sa cheer ah.
Alam ko. Score.
So guys, we are the Boom Boom Tribe.
Oh.
Boom Boom because God makes our lives boom boom. Relevant,
Oh, partner.
Oh, pwede ah. Pwede. Galing ah.
Our name is Needles. Because we're hot. They said because they're hot.
Wow.
They also love Cheetos.
Oh, Cheetos pala.
Yung Cheetos na.
Yahat.
Cute naman. Yun ang paborito daw nila.
1, 2, 3.
Our group 2, our team name is Gibor, Hebrew meaning of the strong one. Let's cheer them up! Cheer them up! Come on, let's give them a round. Are you ready?
Ah, geto pala. Geto. Talaga to. Oh.
Kawil, hindi ko malaw.
Oo, poste.
May po.
Sabi sa'yo, Taiwan lang eh. Taiwan lang yan.
Give it a L. Give it a L. Give it a L.
Wow.
Give it a E. Give it a E. Give it a L. Give it a P. Give it a P. We are the Lempo.
Lempo.
We are yummy. Crispy.
Sa'yo daw, kanina eh. Yung liempo.
Oh, yan pala. Mabul ka! Nahuli, nahuli! Wow! Pupulutin yung mga ano, cups.
Go, ba?
Second game. Go, go, go.
Yung practice.
Left down, left agad.
Oh!
Okay, the other teams, can we cheer them up, please? Let's go. Okay. Alright. Ready, start now.
Oh!
Fly away.
Only the leaders.
So you need to
No talking. You have to get the cup, okay? No talking.
Binatukan.
There you go.
Yay! First one.
Ay, may na ano, may namin. May namin silang isa.
Binulungan na. Reverse yung manok.
Yeah. Layo yung paano.
Forward, forward.
Right na daw.
Oh my God! Tawa na tawa.
Siya tumakyan yun. Ate, pakita mo na yung mga
Look at him, oh.
Good.
Good job, ah. Teamwork. Lahat yan. Ata, ipagpapatong-patungin. Habol. Habol yun daw. Blue.
Hurry up. You can do this. You can do this. Over to your head.
my God.
Bye. Oh. So like this. Kaya ito pa naman. Oh.
Yeah, this here.
Pull down.
Up the bucket at the back.
Let me know kung nandiyan na. Pass.
Ate Eli, come on.
Okay, take your time.
Hingal ka lang.
Three times.
Oh my God. 1 hour yata.
You can go to the washroom.
Hey, go, other team, you can do it.
First plate.
You have to dump
Catch it.
There you go.
Dump everything, dump
Stop everything. Go.
Okay, next time. Next.
Oh, yeah. No.
Yeah. Okay, dump it. Dump.
Nice.
Dump.
Wow, galing natin dyan sa.
It's gonna get in their eyes. Same position.
Okay. Alright. Chris, you have to go inside and then transfer. So everyone should be inside. Everyone should be inside. Everyone should be inside. Everyone should be inside.
Lalaban kami. Lalaban kami, buntin.
Can you just jump and touch the button?
No, you have to be inside the cloth. Hey, last one. You can light the torch if you're not inside. Everyone is inside.
Fix it.
Oh, lalait din ah.
Then you Ayan na. And then you start your lightning. Archel, come on. Yeah.
Umuya.
Keep going. We cheer for them.
Ang bilis din nila humabol oh.
Come on, teamwork. Come on, let's cheer them up. Come on. One more.
Baka second prize na yun.
Hirap naman yan. Kaya pala di ko pinasal. Ha? Hindi ko pinano. Okay lang yan, masaya naman. Ang bilis din humabol na.
Ano na daw?
Okay, no.
Puti yung t-shirt na.
Puti yung
Oh, next team. Kayo na. Banat-banat na ng buto. May idea na kayo.
Panalo sila, panalo.
Yung sila yung talo.
Elimination, di ba?
Pero sobrang saya ko naman. Grabe yung tawa ko eh. Sakit ko.
Ayun. Wow, bye! Natumba na! Ah!
Wait here.
Right!
Okay, left. Right. 1, 2, 3. Left.
Right! Left!
You guys are not synchronized.
You have to follow my arms!
Okay. Wait. Go back.
Right, go move. Right. Yep. Yeah. Right. Matawa na.
Okay.
Okay, let's cheer the other team. Come on, you can do it. You can do it.
Mahangin kasi.
Ipitin.
Go,
Wala na, malapit na. Malapit na sa inyo.
Tiempo.
After that, run.
Free ticket
Wow.
Calgary Tower.
to the center. Okay, all right, so without much ado, now going to look at the winner. Remember, there are 6 groups, right? So we didn't really keep track of what the names were, but you remember your group, okay? Group 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, after 1. All right, so let's give the runner-up first of all. The 2, right? Okay. So I'm gonna call the team leader of that group to come forward. Okay. I'm gonna say first. All right. No, I'm gonna call the 2 of them that are the top, and then we will see who is the winner. So,
Universe.
the 2 of them. Let's first call the leader of Group 3. Alright, okay. And then, alright, this one, guess who's the other one? The leader of Group 1. Alright. Okay, so the runner-up is parang beauty pageant. It's like a beauty pageant. Okay. So when we call the runner-up, automatic who's the first? Alright, okay.
let's go, the winner.
So, the runner-up is drum roll. Group 3. Group 1.
Na-confuse na.
Alright, so Team Yempo with a gift card, but not today, on Sunday. But I will be giving the gift card today to Team Boom Boom. We're over here, can you please sit down there? Don't make this mic again. Sit down, sit down. Come closer, please. Can everyone join me? Closer. I know, Jan. Hailey, sit down.
Ayun ba yung picture ba lahat yan?
Okay. Alright, when I say 3, 2, okay, it's 3, 2, 1, say cheese!
Grabe kong alam ba? Wala. Wala nang laman.
Thank you, everyone. Can you give a round of applause for each other? Okay, if I may ask, can you help us with the round, please? Thank you.
Dinner na, dinner na. And we're gonna go home. Bye, Jordan. Bye. Thank you.
Babay na, Jordan. Say bye-bye,
Jordan.
Hi, guys.
Sila ate.
Bye.
Bye!
Babay ka nito, babay ulit na pagdating. Did you have fun, guys?
Yeah.
Ba, lalo
How about Ken? Siyempre.
Ang galing naman ni Ken mag-bike.
Natuto si Ken dito. Memorable ang kanyang ano.
Memorable yung church camp ni Ken.
Yeah.
Ganda sana kung 2 nights. Sayang. Maganda pa, masaya pala siya, masaya.
Oo, masaya rin pala sila kasama eh. Hindi ka naman naanuhin.
O, babay ulit, bye-bye. Babay ulit.
Babay ulit.
Babay ulit. Dami na nila ngayon, no, kaysa kagabi.
Oo.
Mas marami kagabi.
Ang dami na rin umuwi. Umuwi na rin. May mga umuwi, 3 umuwi na rin. Nag-visit lang yun eh. Ay, di ako nagpapaalam kay Cristel.
Kapalo.
Kalimutan ko. Busy doon sa ano.
Gagawa, nagsaset up sila ng tettle.
Oo nga. Oh, thank you guys for watching.